All right, so I'll show you guys how to reset your oil service or your service indicator interval. You need to, on an 8R, GSX-8R 8S, you're gonna pull out this diagnostic pin, just unplugs from that with this little clip right there. Just squeeze it, squeeze, and slide it back. Then you need to jump, see on your square side here, the other side's rounded, the bottom two outsides, so bottom left and bottom right. Jump those. Come over, turn on your key, and then you'll already probably have your interval. You'll see this DTC 0, so it's already in a special mode. So we hold up on our buttons, and that'll get us into our menu. We go to info, we click enter, and then this menu will be up, so we can modify things in here now. So next service, we're gonna want to change this to whatever miles we want. And in reality, I wanna reset it because I just messed up. This is how many miles until you want it to warn you next. So per the manual, the next oil change is supposed to be at 3750 odo. So really, we need to reset this. And these dates are fine, that's 1 year. And we need to set it to technically about 3100 because we just did an oil change at 600. So we need 3100, and that'll put us at 3700, so we have a little bit of time. So we'll get down to 3100, enter, and then set is enter again. Now it is set, and then we can exit, and we can close. So then we can just key off. We will unplug our jumper, which is just wires or a paperclip pin. And then we'll plug back in our connector here so it's protected and not gonna get damaged. Make sure the wire's tucked under this little guy. And now when we turn on again, we won't get the warning anymore. See, we don't get our warning about what our interval is at, but we can still go into our mode and info and see our next service. You'll see it says we have 3100 miles until, or that date, and you'll see we can't set it or reset anymore because without those jumped, you can't do it. So exit. So that's it. That's how you reset your oil life or service intervals.